Hello and welcome to the FluenDay channel. In this video, we'll teach you how to fully utilize FluenDay to enhance your language learning journey. Without further ado, let's get started. Once you register an account, you'll see this screen. To change your language settings, tap the FluenDay logo at the top. Select your native language and then your target language. You can always return later to switch languages if needed. At the top right, you can view and share your streak achievements. Curious about how many streak shields you've left? Scroll down to find out. At the top left, you can switch between structured courses and practical clips. Feel free to change paths whenever you like. When you switch to structured courses, the first section you should check out is the alphabet at the top, especially if you're new to the language. Tap each column of the alphabet to hear the pronunciation.
A, B, C.
Each unit in the structured courses includes a learning tips section at the bottom. Here, the main points of the unit are summarized. You can also find these tips by clicking the light bulb sign at the top right of each lesson. You can also get hints in each lesson. Click on the dashed words to see detailed grammar explanations. For speaking questions, click the microphone button to start recording and click again to stop recording. If you're unsure how to pronounce the sentence, click the sound icon at the top right to listen.
¿Quién eres tú?
For a slower word-by-word pronunciation, click the turtle icon.
¿Quién eres tú?
After recording, your speaking score will appear on the screen, and you can tap on each word to see the specific score. You can also hear your own recording by clicking the person icon at the top right.
¿Quién eres tú?
When you encounter the typing questions, use the built-in FluenDay keyboards to complete the sentence or word. If you're stuck, click on the I sign at the bottom right for a hint. Alternatively, if you want to challenge yourself, click the keyboard icon at the bottom left to spell out the sentence or word. Excited to start your learning journey? Stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore even more features of the FluenDay app.